Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. B Lux Life. I am Sarita. How are y'all doing? I have to share something with y'all because I don't like to keep secrets. Yes. I know. I thought, okay, you finally have your crafty, you are at bag peace, you're good. Nope. Scrolling on TikTok again. I need to just scroll like this and just listen and not look, because we always end up here. Okay, so they had a good little deal this week. This is Mother's Day week. It popped up, I think, 2 days ago. I saw it on Nordstrom's because one of the Nordstrom client advisors, the sales associates, shared it. A couple of ladies shared it on Coach, and I was like, you know what? Let me see. I'm gonna call 2 local stores, see if they have a certain color in the bag. One store, they didn't answer. Called them again, they didn't answer. Called another store, they answered, they had it. I got them to hold it in 2 colors. Then, as I'm sitting here thinking to myself, you don't need the other color because you have the drawstring Charlie bag. Perfection. Girl, I'm in that bag again this week, y'all. Again. Like, it got me. Like, I love that bag. But here we are with this one. So let's go ahead and unbox so y'all can see what it is I'm talking about. Now, I did just finish doing a little short unboxing on TikTok, but I didn't take it all the way and break it down or anything. I just did a reveal. So that's what we're going to do now. Y'all see it's not huge and mighty, but look, there it is. It is the Bleecker 21. Y'all, this tape on here is strong. Y'all know how they got Gorilla Glue? This is Gorilla Tape because I done tore a hole in everything in it. But factory wrapped. It was the last maple that they had. So they held it for me. I was so happy because I think this would be a perfect color to have in my collection. I went over to my maple bags and looked. I have the Chelsea in maple, the Lola in maple. That's it in maple. So something more in maple, because how many black bags do you need? I really don't think that's a question that has an answer to it, but yeah, maple. For me, maple, this maple anyway, is like a dark in-between color. You could get away with it with everything. That's where we are. That's where we're at. I am excited to have this. Y'all know I have the, what is it just called? The large Bleecker in the Merlot. I have that one. I have worn her once. Now I have the 21. This will be a good crossbody. I'm excited because of the price. I remember I tried it on when it first came out months ago, last year sometime. I just didn't want to pay that price. So it's $177 right now. Coach.com, Nordstrom's. I don't know if Nordstrom still had it because when I checked last night, they didn't have maple, but they did have black. I don't know if Bloomingdale and Macy's has it, but usually they all kind of run around the same thing. But $177 for a full leather bag. The interior also, what is it? Well, it's that raw leather on the inside. Y'all know it comes with the crossbody strap. It has the nice buckles on the side. A D-ring on this side for charms and everything. I don't know. Something about a D-ring I saw the other day, but I don't know. I guess I got to go back and watch my video. I don't know. It's something about the D-ring. I don't know. But I know what a D-ring is. I do. But I don't know. But this bag here comes with a pouch. A little pouch. Let me see if I can take it out like that. Oh! I'm about to scratch all the leather up. But it comes with a pouch, as you can see. And it comes with the dust bag. And it's a nice size. So I will do a breakdown. But this is just the reveal of the bag that I picked up. It is the week of Mother's Day, so I just went on. I said, you know what? You're a mama and you are a Gigi. The kids already know what you want from another brand. So go ahead and treat yourself to that Bleecker 21. I'm trying to get out of that. I'm telling myself now, stop treating your damn self. How many damn treats do you need? I don't know. I don't know. But here we are, the Bleecker 21 in the maple color. I'll do a 360. And we will do another breakdown of this whole bag right now. You know, break down and put it in the case. I got to figure out where it's going in the case, so I can't break it down right now because I have to make room. Or, I don't want to say it. I'm going to say it. Possibly buy another case. I do not want to buy another case because that means it has to be filled. And I don't want to go down that rabbit hole. Let me show y'all the rabbit hole that's the rabbit hole I saw in Vegas. I thought that was the cutest thing. That's the rabbit hole I ain't trying to go down. Yep, because I know me. You don't need to buy another case because you're going to be trying your best to fill it up. I don't need to fill up, okay? At all. I need to use what I have, shop my damn cases, and leave it there, okay? How many of us out there understand where I'm coming from? Shop your case. Shop your closet. Don't buy nothing. I'm going to try my best going into June, because this is May. No need of me doing May. Going into June and looking. Shopping my closet and looking only on the sites. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to do. I'm put it that way. I'm going to try to do it. We all have a lot of trying that we do. And I'm going to try that. Hopefully it works. Because, like, unless I go over here and find a place for the beautiful Bleecker, I don't know. I might move some of the shoes out of there that match the bags and then go that route. That might help. I don't know. Honestly, I do not know. But I know I didn't want to leave this at the store for the price. I do know that. And when I checked Nordstrom's last night, because all day yesterday they had the maple and the black. Checked it last night. All they had was the black left, and it would arrive. Excuse me. It'll arrive May 15th. It was showing. So Nordstrom's is one of the options. Coach.com, and I don't know about the other sites because I haven't checked them. Y'all see that? It's some allergies. Gotta go take me another Zyrtec because I was taking Zyrtec all in Vegas because, yeah, the allergies was tripping. I was like, Lord. But this is beautiful. I'm excited to finally add it because I did look at it when it first came out. I was at the dealers in the Galleria. I just was like, I'm not paying that. And now I saved a little. So I'm happy about it. I'm happy. Happy to have you in my collection. Okay? But that is it. That is all I wanted to show y'all this, reveal it to you guys. And now I got to figure out where I'm going to put it at. Then I can break it down. So we can do another bag breakdown because we got a couple of those coming for the month of May. So far, we're at 2, 3. Yeah, this will be number 3 of the bag breakdown. Probably 2. I just do the large Rowan and the Bleecker because Crafty just sitting up there. She just sitting in her spot, child. But that is it. That is all. I will see y'all on the next one. I plan to go see the Michael Jackson movie. I have heard Raven reviews, so I plan to go see that. She'll see my mama, bring her gift. I don't know. And I know Mother's Day is upon us. I know it is hard for many out there. Y'all stay strong. Y'all, that's all I can say. Because I know it's easier said than doing. Trust me, I know. But hugs to all of y'all. Happy Mother's Day to all that are celebrating it. And that is it. Until the next time, guys. Thank y'all for following, commenting, subscribing, and showing me love. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.